Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a perfect soufflé omelet. This delicate dish requires a few key steps to achieve its signature airy texture. We'll start by separating our eggs, then whip the whites until they're beautifully stiff. The secret is in the gentle folding, ensuring we keep all that wonderful volume. Get ready to impress with this elegant breakfast or brunch item. Once your egg mixture is ready, it's time to cook. Use a good non-stick pan and melt a small amount of butter over medium-low heat. Pour in your fluffy egg mixture, spreading it evenly. The key here is slow cooking. We want it to puff up beautifully. Covering the pan helps the top cook through without getting too brown, ensuring a consistent, tender texture. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide, please hit that like button and subscribe for more cooking tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your ingredients fresh or storing leftovers. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Knowing when your soufflé omelet is done is crucial. Look for a set bottom and sides, with the top still slightly moist and jiggly. Carefully fold the omelet in half right in the pan, then gently slide it onto your plate. This dish is best enjoyed fresh, so serve it immediately to savor its incredible lightness and delicate flavor. A perfect soufflé omelet is a true culinary delight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.